Bold, timeless, a mansion in blue and white. Welcome to a mansion where luxury meets artistry, with exterior draped in royal navy blue and accented in antique white. This home doesn't just stand tall, it makes a statement. The first impression begins at the main gate, crafted in wrought iron with antique white accents, opening into a lush landscape garden. Pathways of stone lead past fountains and trim hedges, creating a journey that sets the tone before you even step inside. From the outside, the royal navy blue walls anchor the structure with strength, while antique white trims highlight the mansion's intricate architectural details. It's a harmony of boldness and grace that give the home a timeless identity. Step into the living room, and grandeur greets you. Tall windows framed in antique white flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is no less impressive. Navy cabinetry contrasts beautifully with gleaming antique white marble countertops, while golden fixtures bring in warmth. Luxury you see, elegance you feel. The bedrooms are sanctuaries. Each one is styled with navy accents against antique white linens and furniture, creating a restful balance of richness and calm. The bathrooms are spa-like retreats. Not just a home, a legacy in color.